try something new. Let's try something new. All right, when I bought this, it came as a package deal, and I got this meat grinder. So I decided, how fun would it be to grind my own meat? And then I'm gonna make some little steamed buns, hopefully. But right now, we're just gonna focus on grinding meat. Oh, that sounds juicy. Gonna watch a meat grinder shit out some meat. How to get rid of a body, quarantine edition. Okay, now that we have ground up our pork, I am going to kind of mix up a little marinade type. Not really a marinade. I'm gonna put some shit in it. Gonna do about equal parts brown sugar and just like a little sploop more. It's gonna be sesame-y. Do you ever go to stir stuff and then you feel like a 3-year-old that's like, you know, just learning to stir things and just now getting a grasp on how the world works? Ginger garlic scallions. Because I have shit on my hands already, I'm gonna mix it with my hands. So I'm just going to wash my hands, get a little plastic wrap to put on this, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge so that I can start making the dough, because that has to sit for a while. Now, time to make the dough. I need 11 ounces of flour, which we have. Scant 2 tablespoons of sugar, some salt, need some baking powder, need a teaspoon of yeast. While mixing, slowly pour 160 to 170 milliliters water into the mixture and mix until incorporated. And that's when I realized that I fucked it all up. Probably. Now I have to knead this for like 15 minutes. This is why Paul Hollywood has such beefy arms. Still gotta do yoga after this. Hopefully it's not arm day. Looks a bit lumpy. It's supposed to be lumpy? I have no idea. I'm gonna put you in a bowl now, though. I'm having flashbacks to my tortillas. So I have learned 2 ways to do this. Cannot tell which one doesn't look the least amount like ass.
Okay.
So the traditional way is Scooby.
Scooby.
I have way too much filling.
And Ploopy.
Okay, right. And so then you do like this, and you pinch.
Okay.
And then you're just supposed to pinch. And pinch. And pinch.
Until you've created an entire puka pocket.
Yeah. Theoretically. And then you're just supposed to kind of...
Okay. Oh, I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Right? That actually doesn't look super atrocious. And then the other way
is sploop. Okay. Ooh, that's a full one.
I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the filling.
Make more dough.
That too. So,
I think we can freeze these things.
pinch after you steam them.
Okay.
Okay, and then another pinch.
Okay.
And then other side pinch. And then you just kind of
Gather.
bring those guys in there, and you just kind of do a squishy pinch.
Okay. Yes. It doesn't look bad. It kind of looks like garlic, and I love garlic.
It does. If this tastes good, then we can make it the next time Jillian comes down.
And be like, I see your empanada and raise you a dumpling.
And we can watch Dumpling. While we're
I do like that movie. That was a very good movie.
While we're eating dumplings. Gotta boil some water. And in the worst angle possible. I really hope my ghetto steamer works.
Did you oil the plate?
Did I what?
Did you oil the plate?
I did.
Okay, then it probably didn't work.
Cause
You need a lid?
I got a lid. Cause I made 3 little aluminum balls and I put the plate on top of it. No, I oiled the plate with a little bit of sesame oil. And then I'm just gonna plop them on there, put the lid on them and let them go for 10 minutes and hope for the best.
Nice.
All right, we have 3 minutes left in the first round. They looking thick. All right, look, I don't mean to suck my own dick or anything, but these are delicious. They don't look great. They look a little weird, but they're delicious. However, my wife said that they are unacceptable because her pants are already too tight. Yum. If you just have some basic ingredients, you really don't need that much. Like, surprisingly few ingredients to make something that is so freaking good. And cherry on top. If you have like an H Mart or any sort of Asian food market near you, this stuff, so good.